Hello, namaste. Namaste to my all viewers around the world and every corner. Myself, Somit, yoga instructor, social worker, and motivational speaker from India. And today I want to introduce to you about Dev Diwali. Dev Diwali, it's one very famous festival of India and especially for Varanasi city where I live. So I thought that I should to make one video to give all of you information what is Dev Diwali. Dev Diwali it's celebrated after 15 days of Diwali. So recently we have celebrated Diwali, the festival of crackers and the light. Normally you all of know when Rama begged after 14 years in his kingdom. And Dev Diwali we celebrate after 15 days. And Dev Diwali we celebrate in the Kartik Purnima Tithi according of a Hindu calendar. And Dev Diwali it's a belief the festival of gods. Dev Diwali is the festival that concludes with a Kartik Purnima celebration every year. The festival begin on the day of Ekadasi Tithi of Kartik Shukla Paksha and conclude on a fifth day. That means Purnima Tithi. Purnima Tithi it means a full moon night and it's referred to as Dev Diwali because it's a belief to be a deep Deepavali celebrated by the gods after Lord Shiva killed a trio of brothers collectively known as Tripurasura. And in the mythology also it's saying that a demon, like you can say bad spirit or the ghost, his name's Tarkashur, had three sons. Tarkashur had three sons, and their name are Tarkasha, Vidyun, Vidyun Mali, and third one is Kamalaksha. So the brothers had sought the blessing of Lord Brahma by performing intense penance as Lord Brahma appeared before them and pleased by their devotion, the trio, that means three brothers, asked him to bless with the boon of being immortal. But since the boon was against the laws of universe, Brahma refused to grant it. And he instead blessed them with a boon that ensured that they would not meet their end unless someone kills all the three of them with a single arrow. They were thinking that they are smart. Soon Brahma has given them to blessing, and after getting blessed with Brahma, the trio created rakas in the three world and proved to be threat to civilization. Therefore, Lord Shiva took the avatar of Tripurari, or we can say Tripurantaka, and killed all three demons, or we can say ghost, with a single arrow as they have taken the blessing by the Brahma. So Shiva done is thus by eliminating Tripurasura, Lord Shiva restored peace. This festival is celebrating in the Varanasi city, and the morning times the devotees they take a deep bath in Mother Ganga. They take a deep in the sacred waters of the Ganga and do the Tripura Purnima Snan because the Lord Shiva he has killed the Tripura Tripurari or Tripurasura. So that's reason this day morning bath it's called Tripura Purnima Isnan, and this day every year a thousand pilgrims they take bath in this holy river and then light oil lamps at the ghats and their homes during the festival, and whole Varanasi city near the bank of the rivers it's decorate by the lights by the candles and it looks awesome and very beautiful. This year being a COVID-19 or a coronavirus, government has some restriction, but we are going to celebrate. And from this platform, I request to everyone, please make social distancing. Enjoy the festival. Please make social distancing. Use mask and keep yourself sanitizing because festival give us chance for celebration, but precaution is also very important. So enjoy the festival, and if you come Varanasi, if you need any assistance, you can also contact us with our contact details. And thank you, and I hope that you will like it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please like us, share us, and thank you. Thank you very much. Have a great time and happy Dev Diwali. And Dev Diwali, we are going to celebrate 30 of November this month. So don't miss it and enjoy it. Thank you.